Integrated Intelligent System for the Treatment of Olive Anthracnose. Olive anthracnose is the most important fungal disease that attacks olive fruits, causing significant quantitative and qualitative degradation of the production and loss of commercial value of olive oil and table olives. The olive oil that is produced from infected fruits is of degraded quality, has a reddish color, while chemical changes are observed in its composition, such as high acidity and a reduction in polyphenols, V-cytosterol, and A-tocopherol. Conditions have changed, and as conditions change, we must adapt to new specifics. Pericles Koutsobinas, olive producer. By far the major problem we have in olives is the fungal problem, which we are trying to deal with copper applications. Morphotypes of Coletotrichum acutatum. In Greece, olive anthracnose has been on the rise in recent years, mainly in areas with high humidity, while due to climate change, significant outbreaks are expected in the coming years. The pathogen belongs to fungal species of the genus Coletotrichum, with the most prevalent species in Greece being the Coletotrichum acutatum. The disease has two main outbreak periods. The first is in spring, when the pathogen establishes itself in the crop mainly during flowering. The second period is in early autumn, when the fruit begins to ripen. We are located in a region near the area of phytes of Aetolia Acarnania. Aetolia Acarnania is a large prefecture.
Nikos Bartzokas, agronomist of the Agrinio Union.
Of course, most of the time there are fungal diseases in olive trees due to the increased humidity, since we have many lakes and rivers in the prefecture. Olive anthracnose is a disease that has been a major concern for Aetolia Acarnania and Greece in general. In order to control olive anthracnose, the Agricultural Cooperation, Agrinio Union, and the Laboratory of Phytopathology of the Agricultural University of Athens, Greece joined forces and undertook the implementation of the GLIO Control Research Project, which concerns the creation of an integrated smart system for controlling olive anthracnose. Dimitris Tsitsigiannis, Professor of Plant Pathology, AUA. The area of implementation is the prefecture of Aetolia Acarnania in western Greece. In the framework of the project, the evaluation of registered chemical and biological plant protection products was carried out in laboratory conditions and in pilot olive groves for their preventive and therapeutic action against olive anthracnose. The results of the project showed that the two fungicide applications during flowering and fruit set are necessary to control the disease. In case of disease outbreak after summer or autumn rains, it is difficult to effectively control the pathogen.
Therapeutic applications during that period may lead to increased pesticide residues in olive fruits.
In the framework of the project, various biological plant protection products containing bacteria or essential oils or other plant extracts were also evaluated, that showed that they can mainly contribute to reducing the production of conidia of the fungus and can be applied during the fruit ripening period. An additional experimental evaluation was carried out using innovative biological products that were discovered by the Laboratory of Plant Pathology of the Agricultural University of Athens, such as new bacteria of the genus Bacillus and Serratia that led to the effective control of the olive anthracnose by 90% in pilot olive groves. Anastasia Papageorgiou, PhD candidate, AUA.
An additional objective of the project was to evaluate the potential resistance of Greek olive varieties. We are located in an experimental olive grove of the Agricultural University of Athens.
This olive grove includes trees from different olive varieties that are widely cultivated throughout the country. This year, We evaluated 9 different Greek olive varieties for their resistance to 5 different strains of the pathogen that causes the disease of olive anthracnose. The results showed that Koroneki and Manaki varieties are the most resistant, while the varieties Mavroilia messinius and Amygdalolia are among the most susceptible. The use of meteorological stations to monitor the weather conditions of an olive grove will contribute to taking timely measures in combination with olive anthracnose disease prediction models of olive anthracnose. The synergy between the Agricultural University of Athens and the Agricultural Cooperation Agrinio Union is not only a scientific collaboration, but also a strategic alliance that brings together the community of research and production, promoting innovation and technological progress in agriculture.